Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through trees and their traversals. We will be just discussing some basics guys because in some examinations they will be asking about the trees, their traversals, how they are done and all those things. Even interviews they will be asking these things. Okay, so let us go through trees. So basically a tree, basically you should know first what is a graph guys, basically before going to trees. I think we'll be discussing about the graphs in the next lecture. Okay, so I'll be just giving you some introduction for graphs also. Okay, so in the graphs, when you are representing something, there is a chance that there could be a cycle. So this is a graph. Like anything with a combination of vertices and edges is called as a graph, to be clear. Okay, so basically what is a tree is nothing but without any kind of cycle or loop. If you construct a graph, it is nothing but a tree. That's it. So a tree is a simple graph G such that there is a no unique simple non-directed path between edge pair of vertices of graph G. Okay, so instead of this, you can just write it in this way. A connected graph without any cycle is called as a tree. This is a simple definition for trees. Okay, so I hope everyone got a small idea. So once you are having a clear idea on trees, the terminology is important. So the parent or the topmost thing is called as a root, and the root children are called as children, and no children, like if there is a node, like I'll be just drawing it again. Okay, so this is a parent, these two are children, and these two are also leaves. Because they are not having any children, these are called as leaves. So the bottommost layer elements are mostly called as leaves guys, because if they are not having any children, those are called as leaves. Simple. So these are called as level 0, level 1, level 2. Like you can say it as a depth or level also, that's fine. Okay, so the important topic in this model is tree traversals. So basically these questions will be asked in interviews also. Okay, tree traversals. So tree traversals are of three types. So this topic also we have already discussed in data structures. Okay, so tree traversals. So tree traversals are of three types: pre-order, in-order, post-order. Okay, so it is a really simple concept guys. There is nothing to think too much in this. So I'll be just taking a small thing. Okay, what are they given? I'll be just drawing it again so that will be clear for us. 4, 18, 5, 1, 6, 14, 99, 19 and 2. Okay, so now just draw a path. So basically in that path you need to cover three things, like first, center and at the end. So three touches should be given for each and every node. Okay, so each circle is called as a node guys. So these elements are called as nodes in graphs. Okay, center, end, center, end, center, end, center. So instead of drawing like this also, you can even draw in this way. This way will be better, I think so. So just to draw, even if there are no children also, just to draw arrows, so that it could help you really well while drawing these kind of things guys. 6, there are no children, that's it. Just to draw some dummy arrows, that's it. 14, because when you are drawing in examination there will be a confusion if you are not drawing in this way. 19, 2. Okay, so initially we will be starting here, center, here, center, here, center, end, center, end, center, start, center, start, center, end, center, end, center, end. So this is the path guys, in which you need to identify the traversals: pre-order, post-order and in-order. So these are the three orders. From the name itself you can say guys, so each and everything is a combination of something. So if you assume pre-order will be having the parent first, or even some will be calling it as a root also. So instead of root, if you write root, it will be a bit confusion. So write parent, left, right. And in order means it will be the parent will be in the center and left and right. And post order means parent will be on the rightmost and right and left. Okay, so please remember that the left and right order will never change, whereas the parent will be changing in diagonal way. That's it. Okay, so if you remember this logic, you can easily write the algorithm for this, guys. Okay, so basically the traversal is nothing but you'll be writing, so pre-order means the first touch. So first touch is given for 12, then for 4, like the first touch order. So 12, then 4, then 5, then 1, then 6, nothing, then 18, then 14, then 99, then 16, then 2. So this is the pre-order that I had just told you, that is the pre-order. If you want in order, the center touch, here it started 4, after that 1, after that 6, after that 4, after that 2, after that 99, after that 2, after that 19, after that 14, after that 18. So this is the in order, and the post order is nothing but the final touch at the end root. So this is nothing but the initial, middle and final. That's what I was saying. So final touch 6, 1, 5, 4, 2, 19, 99, 14, 18, 12. Okay, so in terms of algorithm, you will be writing in this way, guys. Okay, so that's what I have just written here. So if you understand once the logic how we are traversing in that will be really easy for you guys. Okay, so if you are confused in this, please watch the previous lecture. We have discussed in detail how we are doing this in data structures. If possible, I'll be adding that in the playlist also. Okay, so pre-order. So I think everyone remembers now what is the pre-order. So initially we will be going through the parent, then left, then right. Okay, so remember this pre-order. Okay, so initially pre-order of t, if t is not equals to null, only if it is not equal to null, then we can continue it inside it, right? Okay, so we will be visiting the t. Visiting is nothing but the parent. You'll be visiting that, and you will be moving on to pre-order from the left, then right, in this way. Whereas in order, I told you, in order, left, parent, right. So left is nothing but moving left, parent is nothing but visit, and right is nothing but moving right. Similarly for post order, left, right, parent, left, right, parent. So in this way the visiting works, guys. So if you are confused with this, I'll be linking the previous lecture which we have discussed about this in order traversals and all those things. I'll be linking that video after this, so you can watch and you can clarify your doubts. So in the next lecture we'll be going through graphs. Thank you, thanks for watching.